What you got, Jackson? You got a clamp? Yeah. Ready to do some clamping? Ready to do some woodwork? Heck yeah, that's how you use a clamp. You chew on that end, and the other end goes on the wood. Good boy. Say, hi, Grandpa! Let's do some woodworking! I know how to use a clamp! Check it out! Also, I am Captain Awesome. Captain Awesome! What are you doing? See, I even got a cape. It's my Captain Awesome cape! That's a clamp, Jack, not a hammer. Daddy, in a pinch, anything's a hammer. Well, I suppose you're right, buddy. Yeah! Yeah! Alright. We'll do some woodworking, buddy. We'll clamp some things. We'll hammer some things. It'll be great. Okay, bye-bye. Time to go, Captain Awesome. Oh, you're back. That's right. You chew on that end and you clamp with the other. That's how Grandpa uses it, too.